In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subdomain in Cloudflare. This process is essential for directing web traffic to specific parts of your site, like blog pages or online stores, and can enhance your site's performance and security. Let's start by logging into the Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're in, you'll need to select your domain or zone from the list on your dashboard. It's important to make sure you're working with the correct domain, especially if you manage multiple sites. Delving into the right zone sets the stage for our next steps. Once you have your domain selected, navigate to the section labeled DNS. Under DNS, you'll find a subsection called Records. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your domain's DNS settings. From this section, you'll want to add a new record by clicking on Add Record. This will open up a few options that we'll be setting up. When adding a record, the first decision you'll make is choosing the record type. If you're using an IPv4 address for the subdomain, you'll select an A record. On the other hand, if you're working with IPv6, you'll go with an APA record. Alternatively, if your intention is to alias this subdomain to another hostname, essentially pointing it to an existing domain, you'll choose a CNAME record. Selecting the right type is key to ensuring your subdomain directs traffic properly. Next, let's focus on the name field. Here's a crucial tip. Simply enter the subdomain label, like blog or store. No need to type out the full domain name, because Cloudflare automatically appends the root domain for you. This simplifies the process and reduces the chance of typographical errors. Now, let's move over to the content field. For an A or TAPE record, you'll need to enter the target IP address linked to your subdomain. Meanwhile, if you opted for a CNAME record, you'll be entering the hostname you want the subdomain to point to. Setting the TTL, or time to live, is your next task. A helpful trick here is to set it to auto. This option works efficiently for most cases, updating records more dynamically without any need for manual intervention. Finally, you'll decide on the proxy status. With an orange cloud, you choose Proxied, which activates Cloudflare's features like CDN and SSL, boosting performance and security. If you select the gray cloud, it sets the DNS to routing only, useful in cases of verification records or external services which Cloudflare doesn't proxy. Once all fields are filled and double-checked, click Save. Your subdomain is now configured within Cloudflare. By following these steps, you're on your way to effectively managing your site's structure and improving its accessibility. Thanks for tuning in, and happy webmastering!